We all take cruise control for granted until that one long road trip where it simply refuses to work, leaving your foot cramping after an hour. If you are seeing code P0578 on your dash, it means the cruise control multifunction input A circuit is stuck. In plain English, the car's computer thinks you are holding down one of the cruise control buttons on your steering wheel constantly, even when your hands are on your lap. This is common in vehicles like Dodges, Jeeps, and Fords. The system disables the cruise control entirely because it is confused and wants to keep you safe. Now, do not panic. This is a low-severity code. Your car is not going to blow up, and you can still drive it perfectly fine, just without the luxury of automated speed. But electrical gremlins are annoying and can spread if it is a wiring issue. The most common cause is actually something you might be guilty of. Have you ever spilled coffee, soda, or juice on your steering wheel? Even a little bit? Sticky residue can seep into the buttons, causing the contacts to stick together electronically or mechanically. The first thing I want you to do is get some compressed air and maybe a slightly damp cloth, not soaking wet, and gently clean around the buttons. Try to work the buttons back and forth to free them up. If that does not work, the issue might be deeper, like a pinched wire inside the steering column or a bad clock spring connect. If you have a scanner that can read live data, you can actually watch the switch input to see if it says on when you're not touching it. This is usually a cheap fix, often just requiring a good cleaning or a new switch, so do not let it drive you crazy for too long. Give those buttons a good check, and you might just save yourself a trip to the shop.